RDHL stock, Redhill Biopharma Inc. or Redhill Biopharma Limited, currently extended by 27.82%. At some point a few seconds ago we saw a 28% increase, so this is the third or fourth session in a row it is extending. So right now we are looking at the 1 minute model. So far 100 I think about 3.8 million shares have crossed the tape, which is above average volume, 4.5. So this is definitely above average. The 10-day average is about 802,000. So we have 4.5 million now crossing the tape. The good thing is also it pulls back, correct? So it has now pulled back now below its 10-day moving average. It's getting support in between that 10-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So momentum is dying out slightly. MACD is retracing towards has converged with its signal line. RSI indicating that momentum has lost some steam at the moment. So I think the news behind this, it may or may not be the news, is that Cantor Fitzgerald starts Redhill Biopharma at overweight with $22 price target. So that is the latest news so far we have concerning RDHL stock. Yes, RDHL stock, Redhill Biopharma Limited. The stock easily is strongly bullish. So good thing, as we indicated, it has had this history so far in this session of pulling back and sometimes below its 10-day moving average, sometimes below that, but it has never really pulled below the 20-day moving average. So it's good, it retraces, corrects, extends. That's good, as against a trajectory that does not involve any correction or pullbacks. So let's quickly have a look and see if there are options involved with Redhill. There are options, so that will also make things good as well. It will mix up things, and also there's a tendency that it will also continue to extend. There's a tendency because the options are involved. Market participants might start to buy the options if the stock continues to extend and gets more expensive. So this is the 1250 call right now that will expire on the 17th in about 2 weeks time. So let's have a look at cheaper ones. Cheaper ones will be the ones further out, like the 15. Let's see the 15. The cheaper they are, the more affordable they will. The further out they are, the more affordable they will be. So we don't have any data on that, but the point is that we are trying to look at the options and see what's going on here. So let's quickly exit here and return to the 1 minute model, 1 minute chart, and see what's going on. It's still extending. We might be able to find what's going on with it on the from here on Charles Schwab. We might be able to see what's going on with the options. RDHL, Redhill Biopharma Limited. Options, full chain, yes, we'll just from here we'll be able to see we see the volumes and open interests. We'll see the ones that are of great interest to market participants. You can see so far, I think the 1250, the volume is so far is about 1,967 for this series of the September 17 series. And the next one is also here the 10 call for October 15 series. So also let's have a look at the spreads. We buy at $2.25 and the bid is $2, so the spread is not too bad. with the sort of volatility we're seeing right now. Yes. Okay, you can see also the spread for the most popular one here for this September 17 series. The spread is only 5 cents, so that's good. It indicates because I think because of the volume we are seeing that spread narrow as well. Also some interest as well, so it's not too bad. These ones, the 12 and 50, the spreads are not that bad as such, but it could even be better than what it is. But yes. So open interests, I think open interest as quite good as well. 8,000 for the 750, 8,659. Okay, this is also growing, I believe. The open interest for the 1250, and also it may also be growing for the $10, even though it has reached what's the price now? It's now over $10, so people may still be buying it, and the price is not, it's affordable, $225, relatively affordable. So as we know, it has a price target of $20, so it is interesting to see what's going on here. I can see this, the October 15. There's a good chance market participants may also want to come here and get buying. So, but we don't have any $15 anything further for the September 17. But as the price increases, they may become visible. So okay, so I think also the October 15 10 call has the most popular there is this, the October the 10 call, $10 strike, sorry. So I think that's all. There's not okay. And then there's a January 21. So I think yes, the most interesting for market participants is the September 17 series. So let's return and see what's going on with the chart. It's just stock there, not moving. It's a bit quiet now. Currently trading in between the 20-day and 10 and the 20-day moving average at the moment. So who knows whether it's going to continue to extend. It actually extended in the pre-market. Good thing it has continued to extend in this main session. Sometimes when we see extensions in the pre-market, we don't see any further extension. But anyway, in any case, usually it's when a lot has occurred in that pre-market, and it becomes time to take money off the stock in the main session. But right now, I think indeed a lot did not happen in the pre-market for Redhill Bio, and we have now seen more and more market participants get involved in this main session. So RDHL stock up 26.17%. At some point we saw it trade at 11.05, over 28% extension. So fingers crossed, we'll see how things progress for RDHL stock, and we'll continue to update you. Just be careful out there. See what you can make of RDHL stock, and just know how you're going to play it. Even though we are talking about it, it has run up a huge amount of extension. This is the fourth session it's running up, or fourth session it is gaining. Anytime soon it can also retrace, and today as well we also seen an above average volume. All of these indications you have to bear in mind, and just know how you're going to get involved with RDHL stock if you want to get involved. But left to us, it's just hold on and see what's going to happen. It's quite volatile at the moment now, so see what you make of RDHL stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.